Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel once again at Spicy C. Here today I love to share you this is going to be an exciting video that I'm going to share it with you, and today it's based on the products that we shop on regular stores like Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho. And guys, starting with today, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to share it, like it, and also subscribe to your friends or your family, whoever you can share it with. And guys, don't forget to post in your views and opinions, what you feel or think about my channel. Okay, cutting short, I'll go to the product today that I purchased. So these are the three outfits that I purchased from Flipkart. And the top that I purchased from Flipkart is the top that I'm wearing, and this is a very comfortable, stretchable material top that I purchased from Flipkart. Now the best part is has a glitter on it, so I can wear this for my party wear and even for my formal wear event. And I paired it with my beautiful neckline jewelry, which is totally beaded acrylic material, and this is a bit heavy, but it's a unique piece of jewelry. And the earrings, these earrings I put it previously in my previous videos, and I really love this pair of earrings, guys, that makes this outfit look great. So guys, the earrings and the beaded necklace, okay, this is a complete acrylic beaded material, and guys, they are at an affordable price and they are handmade. So coming to the top, I'll show you the full length of the top. This is having a rings kind of pattern on the top. Okay, so I really love, you can wear this is basically kind of short dress. I can wear it, or I can match it up with my leggings. So it has a slit kind of the triangle line that makes this outfit look good. And this is a short sleeve kind of top that I purchased for $350 on Amazon. And this is a stretchy material I really love. It is very comfortable feel and very light material, and it's a thin material, but there is no lining to this. Okay, so the rings, I'll show you the back side of the rings are like this. I'm really loving this, guys. Okay, coming up next, what I will share with you another product is black and white. We all love black and white, the famous color. And this is a kurti that I purchased. It's a long kurti dress, but I thought this like a western kind of outfit. But this is having a long sleeve, okay, with a patterned design at the bottom, and this is a thin material, so it is a very light material. You can wear this during summers. And this is a striped kind of kurti, so it is XL size. So I'll just stand up and show you the full length. Wow, this will go matching with any of your white or black leggings, and you can wear this as your formal wear or party wear, and I really love the fall of it. And guys, this is having an inner lining. Now the inner lining is a short material, and the inner lining is okay, the inner lining is for the full dress, so there's no worries. So I really love the clothing that's having an inner lining, so you don't have tension when you wear them. This is a lovely piece. You can also wear a belt when you wear it and style it the way you want, and also you can give your sleeves a little fold and make this outfit look an epic look. So I really love this dress, and it has a free fall dress with a pleated design and a fall, and I really love what I purchased. And there's one more thing to share, another type of kurti. So this is an other length kurti that I purchased from Amazon itself. I'll just open it up and show it to you. So this is in XXL size that I purchased, okay, from Flipkart, and this is a unique piece. Now the best part about this kurti, it's a light material. It has a black bottom and a navy blue kind of color, but the front piece is having a floral design in the front with a little glitter bead that will also go matching Not only this, it will also match my earrings well to the dress. I really love this, and it will make this outfit go great. So this is how the bottom looks like. It's good in length size, and the bottom is having a rose kind of print, the same rose that is on the top. Okay, here it's a grayish kind of rose and pattern. I really love this pattern, guys, and this is a free flow material, very light. You can wear this during summers. If you want to top it off with a short jacket, you can do it well, and also wear a belt around to look it like a dress. So this is a beautiful kurti that I purchased from Flipkart. Going to the western top, I purchased this western top from Flipkart. Okay, and this is a net kind of top in yellow color, and it has a sunflower kind of design with a bottom gathering with an elastic, but it's a very stretchable elastic, so no worries. And the inner lining is having this is a beach kind of outfit where you can wear for your picnics or for your party, and also style it up with a matching pair of earrings and also a neck piece. The black neckline that I wear, this will also match this top very well, and I really love the glitter on it. And this is a very simple top with a 3/4 with a short sleeves, and it's a good to go top. I really love the neck kind of thing. It is so soft, smooth, and it's a good to go top for any outfit. We all love netted kind of tops, but guys, I really love this pattern. I bought this top for 250 on Amazon itself, and this was one piece, I guess. And about colors, you get them in white, blue and yellow. These were the three colors what I saw, and this is a very unique piece that I seen on Amazon. So guys, I hope you liked this video, and also don't forget to stay tuned on Spicy, because I will be coming up more products and reviews on my next video. So please guys, stay tuned on Spicy. See you next time. Bye.